Is your Windows system slow running after Windows update? If you installed any Windows latest update and your Windows goes slow, here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Task Manager. Under Process tab, right click on it and choose memory and other options selected, and select your background apps and click on End Task. It will make faster your system. Other option is go to Run command box and type msconfig. Press OK. And here go to Services tab. Check against option Hide all Microsoft services and choose Disable all. Thereafter go to Startup tab and open Task Manager. Click on it and here make disable all the startup apps running on your Windows PC. Check who is enabled. Simply right click on it and choose disable. It will make your computer faster, which slow after Windows update. Choose disabled one by one. The next workaround to make your computer faster after an Windows update, go to Windows settings and choose Windows update and go to advanced options. Here go to optional updates and check where any optional updates are running. If not, go to back and choose update history. Scroll down and you will find the option uninstall updates. Click on it and check your recently Windows update which causes the slow of your computer. Simply uninstall it. The next workaround to fix this issue is again go to Windows Run command box, type rstrui to launch system restore Windows. Restore system files and settings. Click on next. Choose a system restore point and select it and click on next and confirm your restoration point. That's all.